Okay, Quest, the short version. This is Quasar coming to you from the Ag Lab, here to explain the Quest. So the Quest is an inquiry-based project where you, the student, chooses a question that you want to explore through research. And so it starts with asking a really good question. And then we move on to documenting research, and we do that through the use of a concept map. And then also, taking notes on research. We communicate that research through a blog. We'll have semi-weekly blogs, and then you're going to be answering the question through like an actual written answer, but then also a project of some kind, like a physical representation of the answer or your quest. So my example for natural resources is the this or that question. So we're using a theme for our question of this or that. And our example here is it better to use a washable mug instead of a paper cup? So looking at everyday decisions between this thing or that thing, and then kind of researching the impacts of those decisions and the whole life of that decision. Wow, that didn't make sense. You feel me? Anyway, so there is an example of asking the question and then the breakdown of that question, why it was interesting and what it means. The research is, again, going to look like a Coggle map, which is it doesn't have to be Coggle. It's going to look like a mind map, which looks something like this, but more complicated, more complex as you go. You're going to have a blog page, like what crazy rabbit holes you fell into, and then you'll answer and link to your project on the answer page. So here's some cool examples that students did. So this is a great example of just the layout of a really sweet Quest website, and their journey part was really cool in terms of their complicated Quest concept map. Oh, my baby's making an appearance. This person had a really cool question, which was, why are plants conscious? And then also this question was super cool. Which plants function best in specific extreme environments? So those are more open-ended ones, like the plant biology questions. And then the this or that is a little bit more specific in terms of the question you have to ask. That's the short version.